Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have our ROG Strix GL703G model. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your Wi-Fi card. So first thing guys, power down your computer, make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access your bottom case screws. Now to get inside at the battery, there's several screws we have to take out to get that bottom case off. You'll see them near the red arrows along the outside of the computer, but you'll also see this rubber pull tab right here in the middle. Use a pry tool to get that rubber pull tab off, and there's a screw in there that you also need to get out to get this panel off. Once you get that panel off, you'll be able to see this screw here near the RAM. We're going to need to get that screw out. And then we're also going to need to take up our hard drive because this hard drive caddy, these four screws that hold down your hard drive caddy, they're also holding that bottom case on. So we're going to take out all four screws of the hard drive caddy and unplug the hard drive from this SATA port right there. After removing that, and after taking up this screw near the RAM, we'll be able to get our bottom case off. Take a small flat pry tool and start near the rear, near one of the two corners, and carefully but firmly pry that bottom case up from the rest of the computer. Once you get your bottom case off, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, guys, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any of the replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, the GL703G, there'll be a link above, also below in the description, and that will be a list of all those tools and supplies and replacement or upgrade parts. Now, before touching anything in a computer, it's always best to remove or at least unplug your battery. Computers are safer to work on when as little power as possible is running through them. Now, your battery is right down here along the bottom of my screen. The battery screws down by this single screw right here near the left blue arrow and plugs into the motherboard right here. Now, notice on your computer, guys, is a small metal tab right on top of your battery plug that's holding it down. So before unplugging your battery, you have to take a pry tool and slide that metal tab up a little bit. That will allow you to pop up this battery plug from that port. Your Wi-Fi card is located right up here near the right of my screen next to your fan. It's got this black guard on it. It's held down by double-sided tape, so you can gently and carefully just peel that right back. There'll be one single screw holding that card down, and after you unscrew that, you can take it out of this port right here. Then you'll only have your antenna wire left. These are just snaps, guys. Those just snap onto the card. So to get those off, just pull directly up and off, and those will snap off of that card. However, to get them back on, they do need to be at a perfect 90-degree angle to snap back on, and you are strong enough to damage them if they're not at the right angle and you try to force it. So it is a little bit of a pain in the butt if you're not used to it. Go slow, be patient, and you will be able to get those Wi-Fi antenna wire back on. I will have a Wi-Fi replacement option below in the description in that link I told you about with all of the upgrade and replacement parts for this computer. And I did want to also let you know, if you're having Wi-Fi issues with your computer where you cannot access any Wi-Fi options, you cannot see any networks, it could be a Wi-Fi card issue, but most likely it's a system or a driver issue. I will have a video tutorial link above, also below in the description, and it will show you how you can troubleshoot that issue and hopefully fix that without having to come in here and replace your Wi-Fi card. But if you're already in your computer, I did want to show you right here, this is your RAM. These two slots are for RAM. RAM is a massive part of your speed and performance ability of your computer. And this computer can handle a lot more RAM than you get stock when you buy it. If you want help on how to upgrade your RAM, check out the video that pops up when this one's done, and it'll help you out with that. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this was helpful. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.